Hey guys, welcome back to MTV. Today we are working on this 2009 Norco Wolverine, and this is an 18-inch frame, and this is the black version. My very first bike was a 2009 Norco Wolverine, but it was the red version in size small because I was shorter at the time. And this is a 18-inch in the black, still the exact same bike, just this is the black version. And these are the parts we're going to install. It originally had a 2x8, we're going with a 1x8 with a bigger rear cassette that I already installed. And this bike also came with cable hydraulic brakes, and I'm changing them to a set of Tektro 2-piston brakes with 160 rotors front and back. And it has still the stock SRAM 8-speed drivetrain. And I'm doing red cables with the stock handlebars, and everything's stock basically, other than the chainring, the brakes, and other little things here and there, like the cable housing and that kind of stuff. I already pulled the headset cups out, which the bearings are integrated with the headset cups. I already pulled them out and re-greased and then popped it back in. And then I'll do the same with the bottom bracket, which this is still the stock bottom bracket, but it's still basically brand new, this bottom bracket still. So I'm going to use this with the stock cranks that I got a red 3-tooth black spire round oval chainring for it. This bike, when we got it, I might post pictures either before or after of what this bike used to look like, because I took a couple pictures before I tore it apart down to the frame, and the frame was basically brand new. It looked like this underneath, just it had dust and dirt, and it sat in a garage for a couple of years. So. And if you have any questions about the brakes or the chainring, I'll leave a link to where you can get them down in the description below. Because as you can see with this bike, it's gray, black, and red. And we tried to stick with the color scheme of doing an anodized black chainring, well, anodized red, and red pedals, red grips, red cables, red zip ties, and that kind of stuff. Because this bike, if you look at the wheels, which are on the ground there, the stock wheels, which is what those still are, they have anodized red hubs right from factory. And so I thought, since the hubs are anodized red, might as well go anodized red on the chainring, red with the pedals, red with the grips, and red with the cable housings and zip ties, just to kind of make the bike pop and stand out a bit better. I also might post a picture of what my first original bike looked like on either my Instagram, or I'll post a picture of it either near the end or the beginning of this video. And I'll also, like I said, post the pictures of what this bike used to look like. And the 2 spacers. That's them. And the top cap, and the top cap bolt. And the thing I like about these older Wolverines is most of the bolts are all the same size. Like all the stem bolts and the top cap bolt are all 5mm on this bike. And then these are the stock bars. I can't remember what width they are, but they're not that wide. Now most people ride like 780, 800 mil bars. And I think these are maybe 650, maybe 700, I don't know. And also, if you haven't seen or don't really know this channel, click on my little sticker on the, well, it's not a sticker, but along the bottom. If you click off the video, you can see that. And then if you haven't seen it, just seen my channel, just click on that, and then it'll bring you to videos on like this aspect or like a scale on my dad's bike. This bike's a 2019, but it looks brand new. And we have videos like that on stuff like that, and some other stuff here and there. Okay guys, welcome back. I had to switch the front brake lines because the front was the back and the back was the front. And I just ran quickly the rear derailleur just to throw it in, just to kind of get like a light mock-up. And I centered the calipers for the rotors. And the red cable housing. Leave a comment down below what you think about it, because it's almost matches the red there. Then the front I ran along there because when I put the front wheel in, when I ran it the way that this bike came, it rubbed on the tire, so I ran it that way so it doesn't go. And I'll start by, well, next installing the cranks. Then also, if you guys want more like behind the scenes stuff, like bike pictures and like stuff like that, go check out my Instagram, BeemanMTV. I'll have a link to that down in the description. And that just, I have pictures of new stuff and stuff like that on there. Like if we get new tools or new bike stuff or something cool, try and post it on there. tight. Now look at that chain ring. That looks cool. With the red fork decals, the red cable, that just looks so cool. Then we also have the red pedals and grips that go on it too. Then this is a higher range cassette than the stock one. So I put that on this bike. So I just adjusted the rear again because the tension from the quick release was a little bit different, and that's what creates the rubbing. So I'm going to put the grips on, and the pedals, and then I'll do the rest of it off camera, and get the rest of it all good, and then I'll come back and show what the bike looks like when I'm done. And also leave a comment down below of what kind of riding videos and stuff you guys would like to see. Because right now we have almost a foot of snow outside. And so it's kind of sort of hard to film outside. Most of the trails are only allowed fat bikes. We don't have any fat bikes. So there's that. And in the summertime we plan on doing a whole bunch of ride videos and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas, either leave a comment or send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll have a link to my Instagram down below. Anyways, I'll finish this up off camera and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, I got the bike finished. I had to go out and grab another shifter and derailleur because with this cassette here, the micro shift 11 to 42 gear range, the derailleur that this bike came with, it didn't work with the bigger range cassette. So I went out and got a new derailleur and a new shifter for this bike. But leave a comment on a scale of 1 to 10 on what you rate this bike, because I personally think it looks pretty cool for an old 2009 26-inch Norco Wolverine, and with the black frame, red hubs, red chain ring, nice big cassette. I think it turned out pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and if you want some more pictures of this, I might post them on my Instagram, BeaminXTV. I'll have a link to that down below. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like my content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, which is that little bell, and you'll get notified whenever I make new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.